I am in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm walking towards the Atlanta Botanical Gardens. It's 72 degrees. It's 72 degrees outside. That guy came up on my right and almost scared me. But it's 72 degrees outside. It's pretty cool. And I'm walking towards the gardens. I'm trying to find an entrance, so I hope I didn't pass it. And going all the way down. So let me see how I get in here. So this is the Atlanta Botanical Gardens. Oh wow, nice. Oh, it's a book. Look at that. It's actually a book. That is cute. Cursor and cursor. Oh, that's actually nice. It's actually a book. Wow. There are a lot of people here today. Oh my goodness, it's crowded. A lot of people here today. Okay, I'm just walking to see where this goes. Just walking to see where it goes. I was trying to get down to go look at that very interesting and intriguing figure, but I'm not getting there. So I'm just walking. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm high up. As you can see, there are trees down in that little valley down there.
I would say this is back here.
Oh, this is beautiful right here. I wanted to get catch this on the camera because this is nice and beautiful. This little walkway here, really beautiful here. And I'm actually up high over somewhere. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. It smells so good. These flowers, periwinkles, smell really nice. Okay, I hear water. There's a nice little garden down there.
go past that restaurant and then hang a right.
Okay. Oh, that's this steam coming up from over there.
I like it. I never actually had that. It was good.
Oh, it's a children's garden right here.
We'll go to a trash can.
How is this?
We play Brad. We'll
Oh, these nice roses. Oh, I don't know. Those are not roses. No, they're not. Thought they look like roses, but they're not. But they're beautiful. Story time. I just saw something I want to try. Oh, not. I want to go across here. I'm going to do this. I'm going to be brave and do this. Oh. Okay. I'm going to be brave and go across here. Uh-oh. I think I was trying to be too brave. I was trying to be too brave. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm getting there. I'm making it. See, I'm using one hand to hold the camera and one hand to hold my cane and to hold onto the ropes. But I made it across. Ha ha! I did it. What is this? What is this? Can I walk on it? I don't know. Oh, the kids are playing. What is this walking thing here? There are a couple of them, couple more of them. Oh. So the kids are using little mallets to hit some wood that's making that sound. See, they're using little mallets to hit the rocks. Oh, let me get one, get it. And it make the sound. It makes the sound. Okay. That's all this here. I want to go down. I'm trying to get, oh. Seems like I'm getting farther and farther away from where I'm trying to get to. I'm getting farther and farther away from where I'm trying to get to. Farther and farther away from where oh, I saw that fake frog sticking up and I almost ran. I saw that fake frog and I almost ran. Oh wow. Until I took a closer look on the camera and said it's not moving. Oh, there's some more fake frogs over here with a nice waterfall. Oh, yeah. The kids are having a ball. They are just running around, having the best time of their lives. Okay. I feel like I want to turn back because I really want to get downstairs. What's that down there? Oh, maybe I can go down and see what that is. If I can get down there. If I can get down there. Go this way. Okay. I'm trying to get down. Okay, look no longer. Okay, I'm gonna try down here. I don't see it. See? You will see something from up high. Then when you come down and try to find it, oh, it's a squirrel. That's a big fat squirrel. Oh, wow. Hey, Mr. Squirrel. Are you gone? Okay, ta-ta. I thought it was down here. I don't see it. See, I was coming down and now I'm down here. There are so many little nooks and crannies in this place that you get lost and get turned around. I thought it was down here. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh, here are the thing that I saw. What's this? It's a woodland garden. It's actually just woods. I'm in the woods. Oh, I'm in the woods. Just walking through the woods. 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 Oh. Oh. There's something. Oh, here are all the kids behind me. I'm trying to not let them pass me. Because then I have to turn my camera off. Ah. Oh, oh, that's nice. That's cool. That is so cool. That's a beautiful, cool picture right here. Oh, wow. Wow, beautiful. What kind of plant is this? Oh my word, this is beautiful. Look at that. Sorry. They have beautiful plants here. A whole lot of beautiful plants. It just smells divine over here. These flowers are so nice smelling. Oh wow. Nice, beautiful plants. Nice, relaxing, calm scene. You can sit here and read a book. Just enjoy your day. Nice clear water. Okay, this is what I saw coming on from the other side. Nice clear water coming down. Wow. Oh, there is so much to see here. Where is the exit? What's up here? Okay, I'm gonna go up. And that's a wrap for this walk. Like and subscribe for more video walk. See you on the next journey.